Hi, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Last time we worked on brick arches, and we're going to complete that tutorial now with this video. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Last week we worked on building the structure of the arch and creating the finding out how many bricks are in there and the angle that goes between each brick. Now we're going to work on building the grout lines in between the bricks, arraying that, and making the polyline solids so that it looks like the brick, right? And then we'll flip that on the other side of the keystone and make that arch complete. Let's get into it. So I'm going to, yes, we're going to use that. I'm going to cancel that. And now what I'm going to do is give each of these just a bit of, so the stucco is my grout color, right? I'm going to give each of these just a bit of a relief, if you will. I'm going to delete, actually I'm just going to draw this. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the, this half course on top and half course on the bottom. So I've got my 3 courses. I'm going to make this a polyline solid, all 3 of them, at the same time. Give it a thickness, I'm going to say 1/4 of an inch. And then we're going to paint this like a brick red color. And then lastly, I'm going to select these 3 solids. This one actually I want to make deeper than that, don't I? So here's the, yes, there's the brick pieces, and I want this one to actually be quite a bit deeper. So let's make that 10 inches deep, and let's see where we're at. Yeah, that doesn't need to go that direction. Okay. Now let's select these 3. And if I wanted to, if you wanted to, I don't need to, but if you wanted to see what this arch looked like from the inside, you could make all 3 of these be that depth. While we're at it, while we're here, let's just make it that way. There we go. Select 3 solids. Awesome. We still have this center point is the current one, so that's fantastic. We're going to transform replicate 43 copies minus 0.619 degrees, about the current point. And there is our, there we go. Oh. Dadgummit, I love this. Let's do one more because it's got to go toward the left here. So we're going to do 1 copy, rotate a positive point, not 6.619. Fantastic. Now I'm going to turn my angle snaps back on, and I'm going to draw a line straight up from the center because I need to copy those about the center of this arc here. So I'm not going to bore you with the details. There, as you can see, there's a few things on the arc and the keystones that make the center not work correctly, and the arch wasn't quite accurate. Cleaned it up and ends up, it looks like this. There you go. And there is arched brick with grout lines. Hey, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. I hope this has been informative and helpful for you. It does take a lot of work. It is some outside the box thinking with Chief Architect. But if you've learned something or picked up even a small tip, I'd appreciate the encouragement. Give me a thumbs up. As well as click subscribe right down there. Click the like button. No, it's not like. Subscribe and the notification bell, and you'll get notified each week that I upload these Tech Tip Tuesday videos. As always, have a wonderful week. Thanks for watching.